Good morning guys, this is the start of day 2's vlog, and we're just heading out to get another little bit of wood. Not working all day like we did yesterday, but we got a little bit of work to do. So, let's watch the video. Okay, we spent the morning at the wood, went in, had lunch, got cleaned up. It's now about 1 p.m. We're in the garage here. If you remember my video about new adventure motorcycle, this is the Suzuki DR200. Very cool little bike I bought in August. Put the LED light on the front here. It's a real nice little bike. Had a custom back rack made for it, but I just went and bought this, the Kawasaki KLR 650. Probably the most popular or purchased dual sport motorcycle of all time. Between that and the Suzuki DR, the most popular is probably the BMW for the adventure motorcycle, but that's more on the street side. This is pretty much purely dual sport. So I've had a couple rides on it, but there's snow and ice on the road, so I'm not going to get much use on it now, the year, which is sucky because I just bought it and I'm excited to use it, but got a good deal on it anyways. It'll sit here. I'll work on getting some gear for it over the winter. Anyways, it is a nice day. Beautiful and sunny out and the roads are dry, so I'm gonna see if it'll fire up and take it for a spin. We'll give it a go. I did notice when I was out at my hometown, because that's where the bike is stored and that's where I am right now, I did notice it was a bit hard to start when it's cold, so it's about minus 15 here today, so we'll see how she does. Hey, what's up guys? Not much of a vlog for you today. Couldn't get the bike started. Tried and tried, wouldn't go. So then me and my brother, my oldest brother, started picking at it. And pretty much scrapped it. Still not back together. But turned out she was froze up, so all the fairings and plastics are off now. It should fire up. So yeah, runs very cleanly now, but no luck today. I was hoping to get in some riding, but it didn't happen, so I should tomorrow. We got the problem all sorted out. So now we're good to roll. Anyways, guys, like I said, not much of a vlog today. That was pretty much it. Picking out the bike, got it working, spent some good time with my brother, which was nice, and I did some wood this morning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click like. If you have any questions for me about the bike or anything else, go ahead and mention in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and look forward to a better vlog tomorrow. Later, guys.